100 million animals are burned, crippled, poisoned, and also abused in U.S. labs every year. When you pick out your mascara or eyeliner, it doesn't say that the companies tested their products on animals. But today, many products such as mascara and eyeliners are being tested on animals. Nowadays, animal testing is so common and is being experimented for products such as makeup, chemicals, and drugs. Only 92% of experimental drugs that are safe and effective in animals fail in human clinical trials because they are too dangerous or don't work. When used in cosmetic tests, mice, rats, rabbits, and guinea pigs are often subjected to skin and eye irritation tests, where chemicals are rubbed on their shaved skin or dipped into the eyes without any pain relief. Animals used for testing are often deprived of food, water, and sleep. In many cases, animals are treated cruelly. Just like people, animals can feel pain and fear. For example, in 1989, a study was done to determine the carcinogenicity of fluoride. During a period of 2 years, daily doses of fluoride were given to about 520 rats and mice. Not a single mouse was adversely affected by the fluoride, but the rats experienced health problems like mouth and bone cancer. This study shows how test data cannot be accurately extrapolated from one species to another. If there are alternatives that provide more accurate results, such as computer modeling, sophisticated tests using human cells and tissues, studies with human volunteers. What is the point of using animals for testing? Banning animal testing is not hurting the advancement of the future anymore. Animals can be family members and best friends to someone, and no one wants their family member or best friend to be lab subjects, knowing it's so dangerous that they can die from the testing. It is not necessary to test on animals for more makeup, hand soap, shampoo, and more if you don't want to trade innocent animals that are suffering.